Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best popcorn oil. So let's get started. Number 7. Orville Redenbacher's Popping. First, we have Orville Redenbacher's Popping and Topping Buttery Flavored Oil. This pack comes with 6 16-ounce containers that you can use with any hot air popper, stovetop popcorn popper, or popcorn machine. As its name suggests, the Orville Redenbacher's popcorn oil can be used to pop your popcorn, or as a tasty topping. This means that you can also drizzle it on top to enhance that buttery flavor we all love with our popcorn. It is incredibly simple to use as it works just like melted butter. Just make sure to give it a good shake to ensure that everything is perfectly coated. Number 6. Carrington Farms Coconut. Finally, we have another healthy alternative to most popcorn oils in the form of Carrington Farms liquid coconut oil. Incredibly healthy, it is a more heart-friendly alternative to butter and other traditional oils for your popcorn machine. If you are looking for a healthy option, then look no further. Carrington Farms coconut oil is said to rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCT. For those unaware, this is a particular compound is used by the body to help it produce energy and burn calories. Number 5. Franklin's Gourmet Butter Flavored. Next, we have Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn Butter Flavored Coconut Oil. So, first things first, flavor. In this regard, this popcorn oil truly stands out. It has that delicious and buttery flavor that is reminiscent of the popcorn you usually get in movie theaters. Upon tasting it, we guarantee that you will simply fall in love with this popcorn oil just like we did. Surprisingly, despite its rich and buttery flavor, this popcorn oil from Franklin's is vegan-friendly. This is because it is pure coconut oil. Number 4. Nostalgia Popcorn Kernels. Next, we have the Nostalgia KPK 400 bundle that gives you everything you need to have that movie theater-style popcorn without having to leave the comfort of your home. One of the things that immediately stood out to us was its 8 ounces of butter-flavored oil that ties everything together. The butter-flavored oil is a crucial element of this bundle. It stands out because it provides you with the complete experience by infusing your popcorn kernels with the distinctly rich, luscious butter flavor. As if the flavorful popcorn oil wasn't enough, you'll also surely appreciate the fact that the kit comes with a 16 ounces pack of soft-shell popping corn. Number 3. ZOE Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Do you prefer making popcorn by olive oil rather than other oils? If yes, you should pay attention to the ZOE Extra Virgin Olive Oil. You can use olive oil for many kinds of food, including making popcorn. You will be surprised by the taste of the popcorn you can make. The ZOE Extra Virgin Olive Oil provides you with fresh, fruity fragrance with a slightly sweet taste. This oil can be used for popping and topping. And there is a wide range of health benefits of using extra virgin olive oil, so you can be confident to use it as a popping oil. Number 2. Amish Country Popcorn Buttery. Are you looking for the popping oil that is 100% natural? The Amish Country Buttery Canola Popcorn Oil is a product like that. This oil is pure, with no additional flavors or oil, gluten-free, non-GMO, no preservatives, nut-free, and it is verified kosher. With these features, this product is healthy to eat and it is suitable for vegans. You can use Amish country canola popcorn oil on the stove with a saucepan, popcorn machine, or even microwave. When you purchase this product, you will not only receive a 16-ounce canola popcorn oil bottle, but you can also receive a fantastic 15 amazing popcorn recipes ebook. Let's purchase this product to enjoy tasty, aromatic, and healthy popcorn with low calorie. Number 1. Amish Country Popcorn Coconut Oil. Apart from the canola popping oil, the Amish country also produces the popcorn coconut oil. This product is a perfect gift for every health-conscious people. It is non-GMO, gluten-free, lactose-free, and dairy-free. You will receive a gift of 15 amazing popcorn recipes ebook when you purchase this product. With this product, you can freely make healthy snacks for your family and friends and enjoy it together.